Hello friends, Rogers Motor Cars here. We've got a 2021 Cadillac Escalade. It's the short one. Platinum 4x4. Just got it on trade from a great customer. It's a one owner. They ordered it brand new. This is the pearl white, the light interior. This Escalade has every single option. This was a very early build that came off the line in 2020 before the major chip shortages. So this does have Super Cruise and it works, and it's got the sunroof. Many of these were not built with sunroof after the shortages started to play a role. Super Cruise also became unavailable later on. So this does have Super Cruise as an option. It has power running boards. Has night vision, tow package. It's four-wheel drive. It does have the locking rear differential for those who are a little more technical. It's a clean Carfax on this Escalade. Comes with the carpet mats as well as full set of the WeatherTech rubber mats inside. 2 keys, 2 remotes with this one. All the books, the headsets are still in the plastic. They have not been used. The tires are very good. They're newer. We have the bucket seats back here in the back. The screens, panoramic sunroof, power running boards. There's not a dent or a scratch on this Escalade Platinum. The wheels are perfect. Not a sign of curb rash there anywhere. It's very nice. Very clean. Non-smoker, of course. Doesn't show any wear and tear inside at all. Heads-up display. There's your Super Cruise button. 28,785 miles. You can toggle this. You can change this to a camera here. It's pretty neat. See that? 4-wheel drive. It's a really nice Escalade Platinum 4x4. Very desirable. Sticker was about 113,000 on this one. You can find the picture of that in the gallery on the website, rogersmotorcars.com. Feel free to call or text or email. Very easy to get a hold of here. We do accept trade-ins. 2021 Escalade Platinum.